Day of 13th February. It's a cloudless day. Got down to about 29 degrees last night. Right now it's close to 60. Real damn nice in the sunshine. Got the backhoe running. Just doing a maintenance run. Idled up about 2200 RPM. Let it run about 15 minutes or so. And it'll be fine. Trying to decide if I want to start on that hood yet. Haven't decided yet. Went over and looked at my bird bath. It still got water in it, so I ain't got a leak. They probably just drank up all the water, I guess. It's strange. The wife pointed out, well, we had a 3-inch rain. You think it would have filled it back up? I guess the birds were really thirsty. Just a guess. I'm pretty sure I've got undersized batteries on that backhoe. It's got a disconnect on it. I always turn off the disconnect. But when I go to start it back up, I got about 3 tries. And then it won't turn it over fast enough to start. I got the big battery charger out there. When I shut it down, I'll go ahead and charge the batteries up. Proper size batteries, all batteries are expensive, but the proper size batteries are really expensive. So I'll make do with what I got. Yeah, I'm kind of enjoying the day. Anticipating the freeze, I pulled all the broccoli and got rid of it. Kind of glad I did. Yeah, that dang kale. You cannot kill that stuff. I ate probably double a handful of broccoli when I was pulling it. Had a lot. And yeah, it's just a real nice day. I'll probably cut some kale, take home to the wife. She might want some. I don't know. My composted cow manure I bought from the big box store had a lot of partially broken down compost. I was a little disappointed in the quality, especially for the price of that stuff. I might just drop back to the manure they have that's half price if I decide I need more. Haven't quite decided that yet. Got a couple low spots in the far corners that will need more dirt. I can rake it over. I still got a hump here in the middle. Brand new raised bed. It's going to settle. There ain't no getting around it. It's just going to settle. But it's not bad. Not bad at all, actually. You can see my footprints in there. They go down about 3 inches from the last time I tilled. So it's good and aerated. The little sprouts are sprouting. I'll give my bell pepper a couple more days, and I don't see them emerging from the seed trays. I'll be doing a replant on those, and I've got some tomatoes I need to put more seed in. Yesterday I pulled where I had double seed and double sprouts. I pulled those, so I got a single. I thought I did. There's another one. I gotta be careful right now. I got diesel all over my hands. Just a really, really nice day. So anyway, I just keep piddling around up here. Might grab some of that 3/4 crush and put, I see a couple of spots right there. You could use a scoop. Railroad is rebuilding that roadbed again. That's a main line, and they've got a real problem with hydraulicking. It collects a lot of water on the other side of the track, softens the bed something fierce. So about every 18 months, 24 months, they're rebuilding that bed. It's constant. They got nice stuff to work with, kind of interesting. Anyway, I'm just rambling, so that's all for this one. Thank you.